everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the second in the Stitch Back to Basics, and today I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet. The materials you'll need is a bit of yarn and a crochet hook. Again, I am using my eye hook or my 5.5mm hook. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, I'm starting off with 12 chains. Now if you don't know how to do chains, you can go back to the previous video where I'll show you how to make slip knots, chains, and single crochets. To begin our double crochet, I'm going to skip the first two chains closest to our hook. So that will be this and this. And we're going to start in the third chain right here. So to begin, we're going to yarn over. So it looks like we have 2 loops on our hook, and we're going to insert into that third chain from our hook. So it looks like we have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, and it will look like 4 loops. We're going to pull this loop through the third here, just like that, and it will look like we have 3 loops on our hook now. So we're going to yarn over again, and we're going to take this loop and we're going to pull it through the next 2. And then that will leave us with another 2 loops on our hook. And then we're going to yarn over one more. We'll have 3 loops, and we're going to pull this loop through both of these loops here. And just like that, we have a double crochet. Now we're going to go into the next chain. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull it through, 3 loops, yarn over, pull it through the first 2, so you'll have 2, yarn over, pull it through the next 2, and you'll have another double crochet. Let's do that again. We'll yarn over, insert our hook, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. Now we have 3 double crochets. So let's do this a little bit faster. And that's 4. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay? And that's what it's going to look like so far. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So after you do your first row, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 double crochets in your row, and it should look something like this. Okay, now we're going to go up to the next row, and what we're going to do is we're going to chain 2. So wrap your yarn and pull through the loop, wrap your yarn and pull through the loop. Then you're going to turn your work. Make sure your chain 2 is on your right side, and then we're going to work another double crochet in the first stitch here. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap our yarn, insert our hook, wrap our yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, and pull through the last 2. And then that's what it will look like. So let's do that a couple more times. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And 10. And that's what 2 rows of double crochet look like. Now do this until you have 10 rows of double crochet, and I'll see you when I'm done. I'm coming up on my last couple stitches of my 10th row. Then we're going to act as if we're chaining 1 and pull tight until a tight knot forms. Grab our scissors and cut away from our yarn and pull until this tail comes out. Make sure it's tight. And there is your swatch of 10 rows of double crochet. Now I want to show you and compare next to our 10 rows of single crochet that we did in the previous video. As you can tell, the double crochets are a taller stitch than our single crochets. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and supporting my channel. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. If you have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!